Alright guys, it's me, Taylor Watson. I got a new accessory. Some of y'all might even know what it is. It's a Genie model ACSD1G. As you can see, Genie Company. This came off of a Genie accelerator screwdriver, and they gave it to me. A friend gave it to me, and get your labels, programming, and operating the door. I love this. It has fresh batteries in it. Let's see. Get that back on. Z for the user processes. 357 program. And I'm gonna put in the code. I really care about the code because it's not going to anything. 1, 2, 0. Push program again. And push your little learn button. And you put same code in. 0, 1, 2, 0. Push it. Light will stay solid. Push it again. The LED will go out. And then we'll wait 30 seconds until the light goes out. And you gotta test the code. Because, whenever I program a door, I always test the code on it. So now, I'll test and see if it'll work. And it works. And that's the Genie ACSD1G. And if you have a question or anything else, please let me know. Thank you and subscribe.